Is your 2011-2014 Ford Explorer displaying the Change Engine Oil Soon message? This video will guide you through the reset process. This message appears roughly every 5,000 to 7,500 miles based on your driving habits, as calculated by the vehicle's computer. Resetting the monitor requires a physical oil change with a new filter. Make sure to use the Ford recommended oil type, like 5W20 for EcoBoost engines, before proceeding. Resetting without changing the oil can lead to premature engine wear and potential warranty issues. Here's how to reset the oil life monitor using your Explorer's instrument cluster. First, turn the ignition on, but don't start the engine. Second, use the directional pad on the steering wheel to navigate to the vehicle info menu. Third, scroll to Oil Life Reset or a similar option. Fourth, press and hold the OK or Reset button until the oil life resets to 100%. You may need to hold the button for several seconds. Fifth, turn the ignition off, then back on to confirm the message is cleared. If the message persists, repeat the process or consult your owner's manual. Newer Explorers may use Ford Pass app, but 2011 to 2014 models rely on this manual method. For advanced diagnostics or persistent issues, an OBD2 scanner can be used.